Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Courage here. So in this video, I want to quickly share with you what you need to understand and know and do before you run a WhatsApp advert. Because over time, some of you have contacted me that you were not able to run WhatsApp adverts because of one error message or another. Okay, now this is not your fault, and I believe most of you are not even aware of what to do. You were asked to verify WhatsApp. You were asked that your WhatsApp advert cannot be established, and just so many of these errors that is coming back to you from Facebook. So this video is going to help you understand what exactly to do and the steps to take so that you can start running adverts to your WhatsApp and getting more customers. Now, why do you need to run WhatsApp ad? It's simple, because it gives you the advantage of killing two birds with a stone. People come to you on WhatsApp. Yeah, you have their number on WhatsApp, right? So you can send them broadcast messages. They can view your status. You can send them bulk SMS. You can call them. So you have different ways of reaching these people without running adverts anymore. That is one of the many advantages that you will get. And of course, WhatsApp helps you to build a better connection with people who people who are interested in your business or people who are interested in your service or whatever you do. So let's get to it. Let me show you what you need to do. Now I'm going to use this fragrance page as an example, this perfume page of this lady as an example, right? So you're not going to do this with a phone. You need a laptop or a desktop, a system, whatever you have, okay? So once you come to the page, to your page that you want to run the advert with on Facebook, once you come to your page on Facebook, I'm using this fragrance page as an example. What you will do is you click on, you visit the page. Okay, so this is the page. Let me get this thing here so that you see clearly. So this is the page, right? You come here to this left side. You bring this thing down. You come to settings. Settings. You click on settings here. These are your page settings, page visibility, everything that you need to know about your page, about your business page on Facebook, your comment ranking, everything you are doing on Facebook. This is where you find all the information. You can also do the profanity filter and just so many other things you can do here. But this is not what you are looking at. So you come to this left side again. You scroll down and look for WhatsApp. WhatsApp, right? This is WhatsApp here. This is WhatsApp. So you click on WhatsApp. You click on WhatsApp. And you make sure that your own WhatsApp is connected. You can only run WhatsApp advert on Facebook using WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business. So you need to have a WhatsApp Business account. Download the WhatsApp Business application, because that is what you are going to be using. WhatsApp Business, not the normal or the regular WhatsApp, right? I mean, both are normal WhatsApp, but not the regular WhatsApp. You're using WhatsApp Business. Okay? So you come here, as you can see, this one is connected, and that's why it's showing me disconnect here. If you have a different number, you can come here and click on change. All right? Have a different number, you can come here and click on change. Once you click on change, that's all. That's it. That's it. You change the number. Once you click on change, you change the number. But because this one is connected, I can run WhatsApp, I can run adverts to this number and get people to the number because it's connected. Another thing you have to do is to make WhatsApp the message icon on your Facebook page. What I mean is this. You come here, you say use WhatsApp as an action button. Okay, so you just toggle it here, it will be on. Normally, it is, if it's like this, it is off. Okay, but once I turn it on here, it is going to be on. It is on. All right, so it's on like this. Then if you want to show the WhatsApp number on your page, which is very advisable, you simply show it by leaving this thing on this way. All right, so it says displaying your WhatsApp number in your about section of your page makes it easier for people to find you. Simple English. This one says setting WhatsApp as your primary action button makes it easier for people to send you a message directly on WhatsApp. So if someone visits your Facebook page, for instance, It is easier for them to just click on that button. Bam. Once they click on that button, they come to your WhatsApp and you start communicating, and then you close them there and sell to them. Okay? So these things are not rocket science. They are simple. Before you are able to run a WhatsApp advert successfully, you must have your WhatsApp connected here. Okay? If you want to change your WhatsApp number, you just simply click on change, and then you change the number. If yours is not connected, connect it. If after connecting it, it is still giving you a problem. If after connecting, it is still giving you a problem, what you will do is to simply disconnect and reconnect it. Okay? You disconnect and reconnect it. You start with +2348070, depending on your country. I am in Nigeria, and this lady also is in Nigeria, and her business is in Nigeria. So you start with +234. If you're in Ghana, I think it's 233. Yeah. So different countries have different country codes. So you ensure that it is connected. If after connecting you are not able to run ads, it is telling you that verify this and that, you come here, you disconnect it, and you reconnect. You do the same thing for Instagram. If your Instagram is not connected, or if your payment is not showing, if your payments on your ad manager is not showing on your Instagram account, you simply come here. This is Instagram here. I'll give you an example. You click on Instagram, and then you connect. As you can see, this woman is not connected. Okay, so you can see here, depending on their access to your Facebook page and Instagram account, people may help manage things on both, like content, ad insights, whatever. So if you want to connect your Instagram business profile to your Facebook page, you simply click on connect here, the same way you do it on WhatsApp. You see allow access to Instagram messages in inbox. You click on continue. It will tell you whether you want to continue with any particular page or you want to connect a different page. Right now, I don't want to connect as this one. I have to switch. I want to click on switch accounts. Then you put your information there. That is, you put your Instagram username. That is your Instagram business profile. You put the username there. You put the password, and then you log in. Once you log in, it is connected. Simple as ABC. Once it is connected, you can now run adverts to your Instagram. Or if you update your payment settings on your ads manager, it will appear, or you can see it on your Instagram payments gateway too. All right, so that is it. So before you run Instagram adverts, you have to connect it here. And also before you run WhatsApp adverts, you must be able to have this connection done. And once it is done, the next thing is to go to the ads manager and set up WhatsApp adverts. Go to the ads manager and set up your adverts. Now, I'm not going to go into setting up adverts in this video because I have already made a video on that. So what I'm going to do now is that I am going to link the video on WhatsApp. I have 2 videos on WhatsApp adverts. All right. The first video will show you so much about from beginning to end. The second video, the same thing also. After you have done this, I'm going to link the video in the description below so that you go and watch these 2 videos. And I'm also going to leave the video up here. As you are seeing this now, you're going to see an icon. You're going to see a pop-up for the video so that you watch them after watching this one. And then the next thing and the most important thing you need to learn before you can run WhatsApp adverts successfully is to learn how to close. Learn how to sell. Many people are going to send you messages. They might not buy eventually, or they will say, I'll get back to you. Or you might get up to 10 messages in a day and only 1 buy. It is not because they don't want the thing. At least before someone will contact you or send you a message, they have an interest in that stuff, right? Somebody sees your ad on Facebook and takes the time to send you a message. It means they have an interest. But you were not convincing enough to sell to them, to close them. So you need to learn how to convince people to buy what you sell. All right? You need to learn how to, people are going to send you messages, 20 people are sending you messages, only 1 or 2 buy. That's poor. That's poor. You need to learn how to make an offer. You need to learn how to speak with people, discuss with them, convince them. Convince them to buy what you are selling. All right? You need to learn this thing. There are scripts, but you don't even need to follow a script. You simply need to learn how to communicate value. How to communicate with your audience, how to communicate with them to make them buy. the things to tell them, the benefits that they are going to get from your products, from buying from you. What do they stand to gain? What are their chances of having a good outcome of using your product or your services? Do you understand? You need to learn how to, because if you don't learn how to close, if you don't learn how to sell, if you don't learn how to convince people, you are going to struggle with sales, with making money. You are just going to be burning money on adverts. People will contact you, and at the end of the day, they will tell you, I will get back to you. At the end of the day, they will say, okay, I will think about it. Or, okay, let me think about it. Let me reach back to you. Okay, let me ask my boss. Let me ask my husband. Let me ask my wife. Or do you understand? Or I don't want it now. Something like that. If you learn how to close, how to convince, how to discuss with people, how to talk to human beings. If people are proving too stubborn, tell them, okay, can you call me on can we go on a video call on WhatsApp? Or can I call you on WhatsApp? Can we have this discussion? I want to know why you are finding it difficult to buy. Or, find a way to convince them. Learn these things, research, learn how to close. It's not something I can start teaching on this video now, but it is important as a business owner that you learn how to convince people to buy from you. You learn how to politely speak to them, welcome them, let them know what they are going to gain. Let them know how interesting and how happy you are to have them here. Also ask them to save your number so that you can save theirs. Ask for their name, save their number, ask them to save yours so that when you are uploading on your status, they will be able to view it. That thing is free advertising. They will buy from you more as time goes on, right? Learn how to close. It is very important. Once you've learned how to close, anytime you're running adverts to WhatsApp, you will make money. I'm sharing from experiences, from my different and numerous experiences, because I run adverts to my WhatsApp and I make sales. I make lots and lots and lots and lots of sales. Not just for me, for other businesses that I used to run ads for. Right now, I don't run ads for businesses at the moment, but probably from 2022, from January, I will resume running ads for businesses. So if you would want me to run ads for you from January 2022, I'm going to make the announcements. Don't come and send me a DM. I'll make the announcement. I'll make it public so that people know, and I'll also tell you the procedures. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Go do these things. Go set up your adverts correctly. WhatsApp business. Go set up your WhatsApp business correctly. And then if you want to learn how to run adverts the right way to WhatsApp, I will link the video in the description below, and I'll also leave it here so that you go watch those videos and start running adverts to build a better connection with your prospects and with your customers. I wish you the best. Please give this video a thumbs up, like this video. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section below. Comment down below here if you have any question, if you have any contributions, whatever you want to add to this video, add them in the comment section. I'm there to answer you and to attend to you. Okay? And please share this video with as many as you know will find it helpful. I'll see you in my next video. And if you want to learn more about Facebook advert, I have a lot of them on this channel, and I'll link some of them in the description below also. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Cheers.